Welcome, beautiful goddess, to this divine feminine meditation. In today's world, women, we are so rushed, stressed, and forced to be in our masculine, so often pulled away from our natural rhythm, asked to push harder, move faster, be something that we're not. But right now, in this meditation, I invite you to tap into your divine feminine energy, to slow down, to reconnect with the gentle, powerful, intuitive, and nurturing energy that's always been with us. This is your space to return, to remember, to simply be, to let go. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed, and sit or lie down with your spine aligned, hands resting gently on your lap or your heart. If it feels right, light a candle or use a soft scent like rose or sandalwood. Close your eyes and let's begin. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. Whether you're on the floor, in your bed, or the earth herself. Imagine roots beginning to grow from the base of your spine, stretching downward all the way to the center of the earth. These roots reach deep into the warm, dark soil. Feel her steady heartbeat pulsing through these roots, a rhythm of tender love and nurturing strength. With each breath, draw this energy up into your body, up through your legs, your hips, your belly. Let it anchor you, hold you, as if the earth herself is cradling you in her loving arms. Now, bring your awareness to your heart. Place one or both hands there, feeling the warmth of your own touch. Picture a soft glowing light in the center of your chest, perhaps a rose pink or a deep emerald green. With each inhale, this light grows brighter, warmer, more alive. It's the light of your divine, feminine essence, compassionate, wild, wise. As you exhale, let the light spread outward, filling your chest, your arms, your entire being with a gentle, unconditional love. The earth is holding you now, and she whispers, "You don't have to rush. You can just be." Let this grounding wash away the need to push, anchoring you in softness and strength. Imagine this light reaching back through time and space, connecting you to the woman who came before you, the mothers, the healers, the dreamers. Feel their presence around you, a sacred circle of feminine energy. And they whisper, "You don't have to rush. You are whole. You are divine." Rest in this love, this belonging, for a few breaths. Shift your focus to your lower belly, just below your navel, the sacred space of creation. Breathe into this area, imagining a warm, golden orange glow awakening here. This is your well of intuition, your spark of life, your creative power. With each breath, feel this glow swirl and dance like a river of light, moving through you, soft yet strong, fluid yet eternal. Picture this energy rising, weaving through your body, igniting your senses. What does it feel like to be fully alive in your feminine essence? Maybe you see flowers blooming, waves crashing, a burst of colors. Maybe you feel a song, a rhythm, or a quiet knowing. There's no need to force it. Just let it flow. Let it be. You, beautiful one, are a vessel of beauty, a channel of grace. Trust this energy as it moves through you. Slowly, let the golden light from your belly and the radiant glow from your heart meet in the center of your being. They blend together, a harmonious dance of strength and softness, power and peace. Feel this union fill you completely, from the crown of your head to the tip of your toes. You are the divine feminine, rooted in the earth. Open your heart, alive in your spirit. Take a moment to whisper silently to yourself, "I honor the goddess within me. I am connected. I am free. I am feminine." Let these words settle like seeds in rich soil. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the air on your skin. Take one deep final breath in and exhale, carrying the sacred energy with you. Slowly Open your eyes whenever you feel ready, knowing this divine feminine power is yours to reclaim any time.